Hello my lovely viewers, this is Taz from Taslimamayaart. Thank you for being here and I hope you're having a lovely day. If you enjoy the content on my channel, please do consider leaving a like, share and subscribe, and do leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. So welcome to another episode of the Fluid Art Express this week, and we have an amazing guest artist. It's art by Donna, who will be up after me, and we have the usual lineup as always. Please find the playlist down in my description box below. I'll be doing a radial swipe on a 20 by 20 centimeter tile today for you. I just want to say a warm welcome to the Express to the talented, informative and funny and clever friend Donna. Great to have you on board and can't wait to see what you have for us. And a big congratulations to you on hitting 5,500 subscribers too. So if anyone hasn't checked her channel out, please do go over and give her a like, share and subscribe after me. And also a big thank you goes out to the wonderful Darren from Venom Fluid Art and Bubbles, who always are so supportive and run this Express with creations by Christy, my lovely friend Christy. Thank you guys so much. You do a wonderful job every week of putting all of this together, and you're just brilliantly supportive of all artists, and I just want to say a big thank you from all of us. So now I'll let you be and kick back and watch this little radial swipe that I did. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do like it, please do hit the like and leave a comment for me as well. It really helps my channel. So I hope you enjoy the music that's coming up.
Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? Cause really I don't see the benefits now. When you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new just to pass time. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. I should probably let you go. I know I can be cynical, make everything difficult, but it would take a miracle now to fix the problems. How come we're holding on? Cause really I don't see the benefits now. And you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new just to pass time. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you? Fall back to you, fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you? Here I am, right in front of you. Look at me when I say I'm sure what I'm doing, so please let me stay till the morning comes and take me away. So please let me stay. Never mind to apologize our mistakes here and now. Let our love explode, show me how you do it alright. Are you thinking about us? Are you thinking about us? Baby, look at me now and say that there is no turning back. And maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to, baby. Look at me now and say that there is no turning back. And maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to. Want me to. I can understand why you feel insecure. All the things I said and the things I did before, it's a stain on you. I'll take it away if you let me stay. Never mind all your principles if you feel this is right. We're here and now, let us not lose precious time. Are you thinking about us? Are you thinking about us? And wanna catch up where we left off? Look around, it's just you and I. We exist in this world right now. So let's keep it this way for a while. I know you want it as well, baby. Look at me now and say that there is no we're not okay. I look into your eyes and see you fade away. But we're not the same. It's like we're on two sides of the Milky Way. Somehow we got used to the problems. Baby, we got used to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. 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 Yeah, I just wanna lose my Do you agree? This is not the way it is supposed to feel. Oh, and I can see there are different paths laid out for you and me. 'Cause baby, I'm a true believer, and I wanna stay true to my feelings. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah,